Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix battlenet launcher stuck on logging in. So first of all, you're going to have to simply close your battlenet application overall. Come below at the search bar, type in task manager and then launch it. Make sure that you are under processes and then select anything, type in B. If you see your battlenet still running in the background, right click onto it, select end task. Now, once you have done that, you're going to have to simply open your CMD. So come below at the search bar, type in CMD, and then launch it. Here, simply type in this, ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then enter. Once this has been resolved, close it. Now for the next step, press Windows and R, type in %local app data %, and then enter. Here you will see your temp folder. Click on anywhere, type in T, you will see a temp folder. So double click onto it, select everything that you can, and delete everything that you can from here. And once you have done that, restart your device, launch your battlenet again, and it will definitely work. Thanks for watching.